Accidentally deleted the wrong file? Don't panic. The truth is, most files are not gone forever. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, proven ways on how to recover deleted files on a Windows PC, starting with the easiest methods and moving to more advanced ones. Step number 1. Check the recycle bin. When you delete a file normally, it usually goes to the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin from your desktop. Search by name or look at the date deleted. If you find the file, right-click it and choose Restore. It will go back to its original folder. If you've already emptied the recycle bin, skip ahead to the next step. Step number 2. Use data recovery software. If the file is not in the recycle bin, you can still get it back using recovery software. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is one of the most trusted options, with a recovery rate of 99.7%. It works on Windows 10 and 11 and can restore files from your PC, external drives, USB sticks, and SD cards. Here's how it works. First, download and install EaseUS on your PC. The link is in the description. Select the drive or folder where you lost the file and click Search for lost data. Browse results by folder path, file type, or use the search filter to find it quickly. Select the file, click Recover, and save it to a different location, not the same drive where it was deleted. And now there's an AI assistant built into the software that makes recovery even easier. You can open it anytime for guided help, quick start tips, or even direct file repair if your recovered video, photo, or documents won't open. The AI assistant also shows you how to filter results, check scan progress, and connect to live chat, so you're never stuck guessing what to do next. The free version lets you recover up to 2 GB of files, which is enough for many cases. Step number 3. Restore previous versions. Windows can sometimes keep earlier versions of your files. On Windows 10.8 or 8.1, open Control Panel, go to File History, and click Restore Personal Files. Select the file and hit the green Restore button. On Windows 7, go to the folder where the file was, right-click, choose Restore Previous Versions, pick the version you want, and restore. This method works best if file history or system protection was turned on before the file was deleted. Step number 4. Restore from backup. If you've set up Windows Backup, you can use it to get your file back. Go to Control Panel, select Backup and Restore, choose your backup source, and follow the prompts to restore. Make sure your backup drive or media is connected before starting. Recovery tips. Act quickly. The longer you wait, the higher the chance your deleted file will be overwritten by new data. Never save recorded files back to the same location you're restoring from. Use a different drive or cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. All right, let's wrap this up. First, check the recycle bin. If that fails, try EaseUS for a deep scan. If you have backups or file history enabled, use those. With the right method, most deleted files can be recovered. I hope this guide was helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the link in the description to try EaseUS. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.